This is 99 Elm Street in Brewer. It's a very quiet little residential street. Not too far away from everything. It's actually right off South Main Street. This is a nice little house. The owner had this apartment put on the back for her parents. It is handicap accessible. It does have a ramp, and the inside is all handicap accessible if it was needed. It has a couple of entrances. It does have this ramp and a little deck on the back, which is really, really nice. Goes all the way around the back, and it's overlooking this area. It's all wooded, so it's pretty private, and we can take a look at that again later. So this entryway here is a common area, kind of shared by the owner. Hello. Hi. And this entrance comes in through here. There's also an entrance that goes out onto the deck. So there's a closet right here as you come in the door, sort of a coat closet. And then this is living room area. Has some really nice windows, again overlooking the deck. The deck goes all the way across the back. And then there's a nice seating area there as well. This is the kitchen. Pretty good sized kitchen. Some good cabinet space, cupboard space. It does have a dishwasher, which is nice. It has some nice lighting up there over the sink. And then it has a little pantry over here. Always nice to have that for your little extras, dry goods and things like that. And then off the kitchen here is another door that goes out onto the deck, which again this is fabulous, fantastic. Again, nice views out here. Right now it's springtime. The trees are just starting to come out. Again, there's a ramp that goes down here. The owner does live in the front of the building again. But this deck area is super nice. Nice space here. You can sit out, have coffee or whatever. Really beautiful. And again, this is the entryway here with the ramp that we originally came in. So very, very nice. This is a nice thing to have, especially this time of year. We've got some flowers coming up back there as well. So again, this is handicap accessible. Another thing that's good is all utilities are included, even electric, even Wi-Fi is included, high-speed Wi-Fi. So you really don't have to pay for anything if you don't need to. Everything's included. This is the bathroom, really good sized bathroom. Again, handicap accessible. The shower is a step-in shower, has a seat, has some bars on it. So work for anybody who's even in a wheelchair. Does come with a washer dryer, stackable washer dryer, which is something again that's pretty rare. That's provided by the owner. And then it does have a couple of double closets right here for storage. So they go all the way through. So that's something that's really nice to have that extra storage as well. Have a good sized medicine cabinet and some storage over the toilet. Get some racks there. And then this is another entry that goes into the bedroom, so you can come directly into the bathroom from the bedroom itself. So this is a pretty good sized bedroom. If you had a king size bed, you could get it in here. Actually, a queen size bed would be better, but it is a pretty decent size, and it does have a good sized closet. It's actually pretty deep. There's a couple of shelving units in here that you could use if you wanted to, and it has a shelf at the top. So again, a pretty good size, has wood laminate floors. There's no carpet in here anywhere, which makes it great for people who are, again, may need to have a stable footing and so forth. So there's just wood laminate floor everywhere, so there's no carpets. Makes it easier to clean too. Blinds are included too in all of the windows. So that concludes the video tour for 99 Elm Street in Brewer. It is a one-bedroom, one-bath apartment on the back of the house. The owner lives in the front, and all utilities are included, even includes Wi-Fi. And the parking is next to the building. There's room for a couple of cars if necessary. Obviously, it's plowed. So if you are interested, give us a call at 207-974-6606, or you can visit our website at rentbangor.com.